The Senate Blue Ribbon Committee cites contractor Curly Discaya for contempt for supposedly lying before the panel on Thursday, September 18. During Thursday's hearing on anomalous flood control projects, Senate President Tito Soto asks why Discaya's wife, Sara Discaya, failed to attend the hearing. When Senator Jinggoy Estrada asks for the reason, Discaya says,
"Yung misis ko po ay nagpadala po dito ng ng excuse letter po. Na hindi po siya makakarating dahil po sa mga valid reason po. May po siya, yung may heart condition din po siya, at saka po bali nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content."
Lacson confirms that Discaya's wife had written to the committee. However, in a letter read before the committee, Mrs. Discaya explained she had an important meeting with her employees to explain the problem that their company is facing. Hearing the content of her letter angered senators.
Mr. Chairman, with that letter, nagsisinungaling itong si Mr. Discaya na meron daw karamdaman yung kanyang asawa.
Binabastos mo kami, niloloko mo kami. Huwag mo kami lokohin because the chairman has the power to cite you in contempt. I mean, do not do that. Iba yung sinasabi mo, medical condition. Kung may medical condition, sige nga, bigyan mo nga kami ng medical certificate. Iba yung sinasabi mismo na misis mo eh. Di ba kayo nag-usap? Sana nag-usap muna kayong dalawa. Ano bang palusot ang gagawin natin, sweetheart or darling?
Mr. Chair.
You lied. You lied. Paano ba kami maniniwala sa mga pinagsasabi mo?
When Estrada later asks why he should not be cited for contempt, Discaya apologizes, saying he had no intention to lie.
Humihingi po ako ng pasensya po sa inyo. Wala po akong intention talaga magsinungaling, pero yung misis ko po kasi talaga ay madalas po, may sakit po talaga siyang diabetes, at saka meron po talaga siyang hypertension, at katunayan nga po marami po siyang mga maintenance po na gamot na ginagamit.
A motion to cite Discaya for contempt was later made and approved by the committee. The Discaya couple owns several construction firms that are being linked to anomalous flood control projects.